Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in to Paxful account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Paxful app on your phone. Now right afterwards you will find this kind of interface, including two options at the top, which includes create account and sign in. Now we're going to log in, so we're going to tap on that. We're going to enter our number or our email, which is connected with our account. So let's go ahead and add it. Once we're done, we're going to enter our password. Tap on sign in. Wait till the analyzing is done. Go ahead, solve this puzzle. And there we go, we have signed in. We're gonna save our password, so next time we can do. Now we again enter your pin as well. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.